Integrating AI tools into daily life and workflows is about making artificial intelligence a seamless part of how you think, work, and create. You don't need to be a programmer to benefit from AI. You just need to understand how to apply it intentionally to save time, increase creativity, and enhance productivity. Let's start with the core idea. AI isn't just a futuristic concept anymore. It's a practical assistant that can support nearly every aspect of your day. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, teacher, or business professional, AI can help you plan, organize, and execute tasks more effectively. The key is learning where it fits best into your personal or professional workflow. One of the simplest uses of AI is task management and organization. Tools like ChatGPT or Notion AI can help you plan your day, prioritize goals, or summarize meeting notes. For example, you might prompt, "Create a to-do list for preparing a new course launch, grouped by priority and deadline." AI can structure your workload, making complex projects easier to manage. Next, let's talk about communication. AI can streamline how you write emails, reports, or proposals. Instead of starting from scratch, you can ask the AI to generate a first draft and then refine it. For example, draft a professional email following up with a potential client about a partnership proposal. This saves time while keeping your message polished and on point. In creative industries, AI can become a true collaborator. Writers use it for brainstorming ideas or outlining chapters. Designers generate visuals using tools like Midjourney or Canva's AI assistant. Video creators can use Descript to edit by simply editing text. These integrations help creators focus more on storytelling and less on repetitive editing. In education and personal learning, AI can act as a personalized tutor. You can prompt, "Explain the basics of machine learning in simple terms with examples," or "Create a 7-day study plan to learn about marketing psychology." AI can also quiz you, summarize textbooks, or turn dense reading into digestible study notes. For professionals, AI-driven productivity systems can transform entire workflows. Marketers use AI to write copy, schedule posts, and analyze engagement data. HR teams use it to screen resumes or draft onboarding documents. Project managers use AI tools to automate progress updates and identify risks before they escalate. In your personal life, AI can simplify decision-making and planning. Imagine asking, "Plan a healthy weekly meal schedule with a shopping list," or "Suggest weekend activities that match my budget and location." AI can even help track habits, create fitness plans, or draft journaling prompts for mindfulness. One of the most powerful uses of AI is workflow automation, connecting tools together. Platforms like Zapier or Make can link AI tools to your calendar, email, or CRM. For example, when you receive a new client inquiry, AI can automatically generate a summary, draft a response, and log details in your system. This kind of integration turns manual processes into smart, self-updating systems. However, successful integration requires strategy. Don't try to automate everything at once. Start by identifying repetitive or time-consuming tasks and introduce AI gradually. Test, refine, and adapt the tools to your specific needs. Lastly, always stay ethical and transparent when using AI. Disclose when content is AI-assisted and verify any information before sharing it. AI is powerful, but your judgment, empathy, and creativity remain irreplaceable. In summary, integrating AI tools into daily life and workflows is about collaboration, not replacement. It's about freeing your time from routine tasks so you can focus on what truly matters: thinking, creating, and connecting. When used wisely, AI becomes more than a tool. It becomes your everyday partner for smarter, faster, and more meaningful work.